Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn on front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7. Why would you want to know how to turn on front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7? Well, maybe it is your first time using Tecno Mobile and not sure how to turn on front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7. So today I am going to show you how to turn on front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning on front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7 is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all Tecno devices. Let me show how you will turn on front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7. First of all, open notification bar and there is no flashlight icon here. So first of all, click on edit icon and then scroll, and now here is my flashlight icon. So first of all, add this icon in upper tiles and now tap and hold it and then click on front flashlight and your flashlight has been turned on. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn on the front flashlight on Tecno Spark 7, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.